Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Mixer in FL Studio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the FL Studio app, which of course I have done right here. So the first thing to do is to press F9 if you're using the current Windows. Alright, mine has not been updated, so it might not work, but then just press F9 and click the mixer icon. But then I just went straight to the mixer, which is here because I have something on. So this is the mixer table for me. This is where you control levels, panning, effects, and routing for each sound. So in the channel rack, which you have up here, just go ahead and select an instrument. And once you select an instrument, this is the instrument I want to select, then go ahead and press on Ctrl L to automatically link it to the next free mixer track. Okay, so you can also manually assign the mixer track number from the channel setting. Okay, so this is the channel track, and this is saying channel track 4. It's just radically been replaced to for track number 2. All right, so I'm just going to put this up and Control L to see if that works for me. Okay. So once you do that, just rename. Okay, so rename and color code your mixer tracks to keep your mix organized. So right click the track label or use F2 to rename your mixer track. So I have this and it's very much untitled, and so let's just rename this to many. So going to use this. That's going to be it for me. Now each mixer track, of course, you see that figure has been added here. The supposed to be track 3 is the recording, and that's the recording track. So here you go. Also, this was the track that I also added, which is 808 heat hat, and I have this recording as well, and this is pretty much active. Now each mixer track includes fader control levels. Fader is the control levels. Just go ahead and right click to create automation tips in the fader levels. All right, then the next thing is panning. This positions audio left or right in the stereo field, and you have mute or solo, so just left click mute and right click to solo. You also have the effect slots. Just load up to 10 effects per track and reorder them. And then you have input or output selectors. Just assign your audio interface, input or output, or route internally. Then send and sidechain routing at the bottom, which is used for sends, sub buses, and sidechain docking. So to send audio from one track to another, just go ahead and select the source track, then click a send switch on the destination track. A send level knob appears to control how much it sends. This is useful for creating shared reverb buses or effect chains. And you can also right click and choose sidechain only to this track. This enables routing for plugins that accept sidechain clips without the source being audible on the track. And it's great for compression, gating, etc. The master track represents the final output of your mix. All routed converge here, or routed tracks actually converge here in the master track, which is here, unless routed elsewhere. And you can also load mastering effects from here, apply EQ, compression limiters, and control the final fader level prior to rendering. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.